Defining fixed objects or content that does not scroll when other objects on the screen do scroll is a really powerful way to deliver what's known as persistent navigation, or allowing your users to always know where they are within your design. It's very easy to implement. Here on the blog artboard, I'm going to click on the group here towards the header. This is a group of text and images and some icons on the left and right that have been saved as a group. With them selected, I just need to come over to my control panel here and click on the Fix Position When Scrolling checkbox. From there, I want to bring up the preview window, and again I'll use my control key, Command or Control Return, to bring up the preview window. And this time, as I scroll down on the page, the content towards the back, my repeat grid list, is scrolling, but the content towards the front is in a fixed position. It's really pretty much that simple.